Hello, good morning, friends. Today I am here to tell you that how to get Dream World Pokemons. I'll show you some Dream World Pokemons that how much powerful, what are they, some examples. Let's get into Pokedex. I will show you some Pokemons. So first of all, I will search a Pokemon Musarna. It's also a Dream World Pokemon. I'll show you. It's a Dream World. It's a Ghost Pokemon actually, and Psychic Pokemon. I will show if I will show the Mega Musan, as you can see, is turn into Ghost Pokemon. Look at this power. CP preview. CP preview. I will show you that how much powerful. You can see physical defense 12656 and special defense 15288, and its HP is 18990. It means really very good Pokemon. If you want a defense Pokemon, you can get you can use this Pokemon. I'll show you another Pokemon as Dream World Pokemon, and it's Mew, not Mewtwo, it's Mew. If you click on other form, you will get this Mew. It's a Dream World Pokemon. I such a Mega Ghost and Psychic Pokemon, and the CPU is really good. Physical defense 13098 and special defense 14882, and HP is 16951. It's less, but it's good because its attack is very nice. As you can see, you can use it's a mixture, means it's a very mixture of Pokemon. It's a very good Pokemon if you want to keep it in your bag. I'll show you that how can you catch these Dream World Pokemons. There is way. For this, you have to click on Wild Exploration, and you have to go to this Saint Annie. It's a ship. You have to explore this to get that Dream World Pokemon. I will enter the. I'm entering this. Wait. Very easy way. You can now uh, select monsters. Your Pokemon. Uh, Look, I will choose Slacking as my first Pokemon. First is this. It's very nice Pokemon. Oh no, I have to fight with him. It's a person which you can't pass him without defeating him. So I will also have to defeat him. But no worry, there is lacking in my first position. We will solve these problems. As a flail, those Pokemons are very low level, so I can defeat them. And one more thing, as you defeat these persons in your path, means you will encounter so many persons like this. If you defeat them, you will get some rewards. The rewards can be anything depending on the system. Let's see what will I get today. I won and I got these three rewards. It's really good. Now I'll show you that where you can encounter Dream World Pokemon. You have to go to a room. It's a special room, and yeah, there is some conditions. Means if you want to come on this Saint Annie, Saint Annie ship, means there are a time limiting, means you can't enter in this Saint Annie ship 24 hour. There is time limit. I'll show you. You can enter from 8 to 24, 8 morning, 8 morning to 24 night. And if you want to go in this dream world means if you want to enter in this room and want to go into Dream World Pokemon, then there is another condition. You have to enter to 8 20 24. As you can see, 12.20 to 24 means 8 9, sorry, 8 to 12, it's night time. Means 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. you can enter in this dream world. So I will enter in this room first. Mm, to enter in this room, you have to solve a puzzle. Means you can't enter so easily. You have to solve a puzzle for this. As you can see, there are already two positions fixed. Means there are already two solved. So I have to solve only three cubes. Only the lighted lighted lines you have to solve, not the dark lines. So I am solving it. You can solve it. It's easy for me now. I'm entering in the room, not in the dream world. I have to talk to her. It's Asuke. Thanks Asuke for here for helping me. Now I will have to go to this bed and you have to click on this button to go in the dream world. Yeah, I slept. I'm on the right time, so I slept. And I entered the dream world. If you are not on the same right time, you can't enter in the dream world. So I entered this world, and now you have to run. Just run, 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 run. You will encounter any Pokemon. Yeah, it's not a dream world Pokemon. So you will not get anything with this without defeating him. But you have to defeat him. Defeating them is easy because they're not much powerful, because they are not mega. And my Slacking is mega. Slacking is one of my favorite Pokemon. Now you you defeated the Pokemon. It was not a dream world Pokemon. So you get out, you wake up, and now you can also sleep again. Until you encounter a dream world Pokemon, you can sleep again and again. Now like, exploding. Yeah, that's a dream world Pokemon. Its name is Miss Magius. Yeah, Miss Magius. It's also a dream world Pokemon. Now I have to fight him and defeat him. After defeating him, you will get some rewards. Rewards are the shards. Means there are 4 shards of any Pokemon. So I will get any one of them after defeating the Dream World Pokemon. Let's see which shard I will get. Yeah, uh, glittering object I got. Yeah, it's the second shard. You remember the shard Mirage Miss Magius 2. It's the second shard of Dream World Pokemon Miss Magius. As you can see, I also got some other Pokemon shard. There are also I showed you in Pokedex Mew and Miss Magius and Musarna. I also got some their shards last weeks. Miss last some weeks, not last week. Every week, only one time in a week, you can enter in this dream world, and after defeating a dream world Pokemon, you can only enter again next week. Next week from time limit you can search. I told you the time time condition. Wait, I will show you those Pokemon start I got. Uh, wait, I will go into bag, backpack. I have to go to legendary Pokemon. You can see the horn here. Sorry, not that not Sard. You have to click on the Sard, then horn Sard, and I'll show you. Yeah, look, there is Mew, Mirage Mew, second Sard. I got this last week, and there also Musarna first and third Sard. I got last second and third week, and today I got Mirage Miss Magius second. You can get streamer Pokemon like this after defeating. Every time you will get a different type of Pokemons. So thank you. You can get. Bye.